In this video, I want to show you why your YouTube revenue is so low and what you have to do to increase your YouTube revenue. If you notice that despite the fact that you are getting more view, but your revenue is not corresponding as it ought to be, I want to show you the reason why and the settings you have to turn off for you to increase your YouTube revenue. So just go to your YouTube channel and click on Customize Channel. This will take us to YouTube Creator Studio. So when it opens like this, scroll down and come to Settings. This is it, come to Settings. This will open the settings page. Then come to the second option called Channel. Click on Channel. Then when it's open, come to Advanced Settings. Click on it. Then scroll down. Scroll down and come to Advertisements. Here, there is a particular options here that in my own case, it's not checked. If you check these very options, your revenue will be drastically reduced. And the option is this: disable interest-based ads. And YouTube clearly stated it that if you select these options, personalized ads will not be shown on videos on your channel, such as ads based on a viewer's interest or remarketing ad. This may significantly reduce your channel's revenue. In addition, earn action reports and remarketing lists will stop working for your channel. So if this option is checked in your channel, it will drastically reduce your revenue. So if you notice that your revenue is not corresponding to your view or your performance on YouTube, kindly come and turn off or uncheck these options, because YouTube stated that if you select this option, this may significantly reduce your channel's revenue. So kindly uncheck it if you want your revenue to be high, because if you check it, it means personalized ads will not be shown on videos on your channel, such as ads based on a viewer's interest or remarketing ad. This may significantly reduce your channel's revenue. So fellow YouTubers, if you are experiencing low revenue, make sure that you didn't check disable interest-based ads. Thank you for watching.